Now we're going to create the tower yard slope grading with the linear template. So in this section, what we are going to do, we're going to do the grading around the parameter of this tower yard using the linear template. So we're going to apply the linear template tools, and this is going to apply a template from the template library along the civil geometry elements. But in order to apply the linear template, the civil geometry must have the profile associated with it. Now for that, just to apply the linear template, first of all, what we're going to do, we're going to move to the corridor, then after template, and use the create template options. Now I will open up my ITL file. And here I will select site modeling.itl and I will hit open. Once I will hit open, you could able to see these are the templates which we have created for this project. So if I select EC cut and fill, this is the template which we are using for the linear, just to apply the linear template to my tower yard. So if you hover on this component, you could able to see cut slope 6 in 1, and at this component fill slope 6 in 1. So we're going to use this template to apply the linear template. I will close this dialog box. Then after, I will go to the model detailing tab, and here I will apply the linear template. So once I will select apply linear template, you could able to see the dialog box for the linear template, apply linear template option has opened. So now we have an option just to locate element to apply the template. As we are creating the grading outside this tower yard, so I'm going to locate this element, tower yard. Once I select this is going to prompt me to select my template. Just to select your template, just press Alt key and press down arrow. Once you press Alt and down arrow, you could able to access your template. So I'm going to select this template and I will hit OK. I will accept this. We also have an option to lock your start and stop station. I will press Alt key to start station. I will press Alt key to end, to lock my end station. Now here is the option, just to reflection option. As we are creating this outside the tower yard, so we cannot create this, we cannot select the reflection option inside the tower yard. We are creating the grading for tower yard which is outside from the tower yard. So that's the reason I will just click outside from the tower yard. I will accept this. If you could see, you could able to display your grading. This is the visualization of your grading. This how this will going to look. Then after, I will accept my exterior corner sweep angle, and I will accept the tower yard grading description as a description. Now if you could see here in 3D model, the nice grading around the side is created. And this is all about the parameters which we have used in this linear template. I will close this option. Now once the grading is created, but while creating the grading, once the grading is created, if you select this grading, the boundary of this grading, you could able to see this is the feature, this is the new feature which has added while creating the grading. So while applying the linear template. Now what I will do, I will just add this feature to my terrain model. And this name is construction limit. So what I will do, I will just go to the terrain model, feature management tool, add feature. I will locate my terrain model, locate element to add. As this is the construction limit, so I will be locate my element. If you could see, if you hover on this, this will prompt you to select the construction limit line. I will select this, then I will reset. And as this is the boundary, so I will be selecting boundary option. So now if you could see, your terrain model is updated, as well as you could able to see the contours. You can also see the contours are also updated and the complete terrain model.